Hey there, and welcome back to another video. Dustin here from the Gravity team. If you're looking to automate your email campaigns, we highly recommend Mailchimp. With Mailchimp, you can create customer journeys that will automatically follow up with your leads, saving you precious time and effort. In this video, we'll show you how to create a simple customer journey within Mailchimp that follows up with leads after they sign up for a demo for our product. Within my WordPress dashboard, I have a simple demo sign-up form. I've created a Mailchimp feed for this form using the Mailchimp Add-on that will automatically add the demo tag to these contacts within Mailchimp whenever they sign up using this form. We'll explore the importance of using this tag in just a second. If I head over to my Mailchimp dashboard, I can select automations and then choose Build from Scratch to create the emails that will be sent to these contacts. I'll give the journey a name, then select Choose Starting Point. I want this automation to trigger when my form is submitted, so I'll simply select Signs Up for Email. I only want this automation to trigger for contacts who are signing up for my demo, so I'm going to create a filter that only allows contacts with the demo tag to enter this journey. My demo sign-up form will automatically add the demo tag to contacts upon form submission, ensuring that only those interested in my demo will be entered into this automation. I'm going to add a time delay as the next journey step and set it to 3 days. I'll then choose to send an email as the following step. I'll name this step Demo Follow-Up and set the subject of the email, then use the built-in Mailchimp email templates to create a simple email that follows up with each contact after 3 days. I'm then going to repeat the same steps and create an email that sends after 3 additional days and lets the contact know that their demo will be expiring soon and gives them directions on where to go to buy our product. This might also be a good time to offer a discount, helping to ensure people make the purchase. Once I've finished customizing this email, I'll head back to the journey map and select Send Test Emails to make sure my journey is working properly. Then all I need to do is select Continue and then click Turn this journey on. Now whenever a contact signs up for my demo, they'll be automatically sent 2 emails, a simple follow-up after 3 days, and an email directing them to the purchase page after 6. Mailchimp journeys are a great way to automate the process of following up with leads and guiding them during the purchasing process. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know in the comments. Thanks as always for watching. I'll see you in the next video.